Oh no. Sony likes leaving booby traps, basically. A lot of the PlayStation Slim that have been taken off, these little clips are just sort of falling off from here and there and here and there. I did a video previously on another clip, and it was from here. Now I've got this bloody clip that's fallen off from the other side of the unit, and I'll show you where it's come from. So if you're stuck with something like this that's fallen off, like that, and it's leaving you wondering where it is, okay, it actually goes here. So let me sort of do the way around. So that's the panel. This is the hole it goes in. Okay, so let's line up this panel so you can see. It goes on the underside of this panel, basically. Okay, so what will happen is it's like this. That's how it will go in on the underside, like that. Okay, so let's do this. Actually, I'm just going to try and do it with one hand. You're probably noticing these little markers on the thingy on these plates, and that's because I would like to put every single screw back in its place. I'm not going to put screws, throw all the screws in a bucket and then start pick and choose what's going where. No, absolutely not. Okay, so this clip slides into this slot here effectively. That's what I'm trying to say. It slides into this slot. Let's pull it back up again. Look, get closer. Okay, the clip goes into this slot where the fan heatsink is. Then this tray goes, oh, God's sake. Okay, then this goes in. I'm going to slide that in nice and gently and then apply the screw. So there's one clip on this side for the ground for your DVD or your Blu-ray drive, and there's one clip there for probably for securing the PlayStation so nobody can run off with it, basically. I think that's what this screw, the plate is for. Anyway, and then what you would do is put this screw back on so that the bracket, I'm not doing it with my left hand, that's where this small black clip goes in, basically. All right, when you look at it from the side, that's the view what you get, basically. So to me, it's like a Kensington type of a locking system, basically, where somebody, you know, if you secure it to a bracket or a wall or a cabinet, so somebody can't just come and run off with it, basically. But why not just mold it onto the frame, or just keep it? Why do you have to keep things loose, basically? So yeah, there we go, another bloody clip. Thank you very much, Sony, for keeping a little booby traps here and there, basically. So, but at the end of the day, I don't give up, and I will find where they belong, and it will be put back where it belongs. Now, in terms of these little markers and things on the actual aluminium, I'm going to rub them off eventually, but I put every single screw where it should be, even to a point where there's a red one goes there, the blue of them are rest, there's a black one here, which is that one, okay, and that will go back in its place. I'm not going to be shoving all those screws in one bucket and then pick them out and just put them out what pleases me. That doesn't bloody happen here, right? The things gets done properly, and that's how I sort of enjoy doing my work, basically. Get things done right, the proper way. All right, that's all. Thank you.